Let's begin making our pair of matching earrings. To start with, we're going to pick up our sterling silver head pin, and we're going to put the sterling silver bead on it so that the turquoise bead will not fall off the end. Next, we will put the turquoise bead on our head pin, followed by one of the smaller 6mm turquoise beads, and then 3 onyx beads. To finish it, we will put the last 6mm bead, and now we're ready to start the loop at the top that's going to connect our head pin to our ear wire. So to begin this, we're going to take our chain nose plier again and position it just above our top bead. From there, we're going to bend it at a 90-degree angle with our finger. Remove the chain nose pliers and pick up the round nose pliers. Insert the round nose pliers into the 90-degree angle and move your sterling silver head pin with your chain nose pliers over the 90-degree angle. So now you will have what looks like a question mark. So once we've made our question mark, insert your needle nose pliers horizontally, then pull your head pin underneath the needle nose pliers very tight. So now you'll have a loop. Hold your loop with your needle nose pliers and wrap the remaining wire around the base of your loop as many times as you want for it to feel secure. I've done 2 here, that usually will suffice, but you can do up to 4 for an artistic look. So now we're going to cut the remainder off, and if you look closely, there's a little bit sticking up there. And you can use a chain nose plier, or you can use a bent chain nose plier, which is also useful, to just smush that little tail down. So now you have completed your loop at the top here. This can also be worn as a pendant in a different circumstance, but we are making the kit and we are making this into a pair of earrings. So we're going to open up this loop, and when you open up a loop, you don't want to open it sideways. You actually want to open it front to back. Okay, loop your earring onto there, and then fold it back together. And now you have a beautiful pair of matching earrings. Here is the beautiful finished product of our turquoise and onyx necklace and earring kit.